Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for January 23rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed higher during this last session, definitely moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 77.32, possibly down to 76.61. Look for some resistance around 77.25 and look for some support around 76.75. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair gapped, retraced, closed higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 131.82, possibly as low as 127.88. Look for some resistance around 130.75 and look for some support around 128.75. Now the pound US dollar pair, it surged to the upside, did run into some resistance, pulled back and close lower. Look for this pair to potentially go as high and hit resistance around 156.15, possibly coming down and hitting support around 154.05. Now the US Swiss, this pair gapped up, retraced the gap, closed lower. Look for it to potentially on a reversal go as high as 0.9441, possibly as low as 0.9154. Look for some resistance around 0.9305 and look for some support around 0.9250. Okay, now as far as news analysis go, we have two news announcements for tomorrow. The Bank of Japan releasing their rate decision, no time given. Consensus is they're going to hold at 0.10%. We also have at 7:30 a.m. or I'm sorry, 7:30 p.m. Eastern, we have the Australian Consumer Price Index for the fourth quarter being released. They're showing a drop from 3.5% down to 3.3%, which would not be necessarily an indication of anything bad happening. Consumer Price Index coming down may actually bring down their interest rate over time, but talking about a very small drop, assuming that it comes in as predicted. Okay, now what am I looking for during this next session? Well, I wanted to bring to your attention the Australian US dollar pair is a carry trade pair. This is the 200-day moving average. Let me back out a little bit. You can see that it has just broken above it over the past, or closed above it over the past couple of sessions, kind of definitively closed above it. And had you entered that, you would also be getting not only the upward movement of the pair, but also the daily roll. So you can see here that entering at this point and exiting around this point, that's 1,307 pips. But every day you get the rollover interest as well that's on that account. So it really adds up. Just want to bring that to your attention. Let's take a look at the New Zealand US. It's not as strong as far as the interest is concerned, but it has just crossed above it as well. You still do get a positive swap on that one also. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Till next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.